They some tricky little boogers. Now I know I just saw a third one. I just saw him. Oh, there he goes. Boy, they know they be incognito. Y'all see him? That's 3. So 7 more to go. Get from over there. Well, it's getting dark. I found this little booger. Plus those 3 little boogers. They're in there. Get them high. They go 1, 2. Here's another one. Alrighty, that'll be it for me. Enough of hunting worms. One, 2, 3. Four. Not in a million years would I thought I'd be this close to a worm. They're little. I've seen them bigger than that. They're like little puppies to me. Just found another one. Where'd he go? I mean, them little bad boys, you don't even see them. They be hiding real good. Yeah, let me get him down. Put him with his brother and sister. Done found. I just found that bigger one right there. Over there on my tomato bush by my peppers. I looked up and the lamb looked kind of chopped. I said, oh, got another one. So that's a total of, how many? That's 3, 4. Total about 5 or 6 so far. Whew. Never think in a million years I'll be hunting down hornworms. Forgot about my tomato bush over here. I said, well, let me check you out. Saw somebody that looked a little suspicious. Just a little suspicious. Look at him. Look at him. Then ate the whole flower. Found you. Say night-night. Dog it, and there's another one. That's why I pull them out, because I don't have time for this. Go another one. There's 2. This bush do look a little sparse. Let me see how many more I can find. Found another one. Jeez Louise.